Paw. Good girl, so pretty. So pretty. Ellie, so pretty. Oh, poof.
This cat was confused when she heard her owner's voice come from a security camera.
What the heck?
If you take a wet toothbrush and pet a cat with it, it supposedly reminds them of getting cleaned by their mother.
Hunter, are you hungry?
This cat grabs food from the automatic feeder as if someone will try and steal it.
Didn't know that a single facial expression could make me laugh that hard. If you want to summarize cats in just one word, sleepy is a choice. Fighting with planned strategy? Nah, these guys just go all out. Oh, you catch me. Anyway, do you mind cleaning these for me?